Hello everyone, so this is an unboxing video for my DT kit from Madras Bazaar, and let's see what's inside. So let's start with some miniatures and cute little trinkets. So this is the first pouch, and this has these really cute trinkets. See, it has a bell, it's like a bell, and it's a really cute smiley. Then there's a little heart. Oh god, this is so adorable. And there's a little purse as well. Oh god, just have a look at this. And this rings as well. So this is the three cute little trinkets. Okay, the purse also has a stone on it. So these are the three little cute trinkets. You can hang them on your charms or the dangling that you add in the album. Now let's move to the other product. So this is what was inside. These are miniature Coca-Cola bottles. Coke. See how tiny it is. And there's this box where you can fit it inside. Isn't it cute? It has Coke written on it, Coca-Cola written on it. So you can just fit all of them inside, just like this. Okay, so all in. So next I received this guitar. So this is a really nice and a well finished piece. You can see it's really shiny, really smooth, and it has really intricate designs and intricate details. Like you can see screws over here, these teeny mini screws over here. You can see the guitar strings, and then here this adjust the thing that we use to adjust the strings. So this is that. And one thing I love is the quality, because it's really smooth, really nice quality, and really detailed piece. Next, this is my favorite. It is this super cute couple. So it's a girl and a boy, and they are sitting on a bench. So you can actually stick them on it just like this. So this is that. Isn't it cute? Even this is really nice quality, and this is really cute. Oh, and this girl has a tiny teddy bear in her hand. So that is the next piece. Now let's move to the lace and the trims. So this is the first trim that I got. It has a really nice flower detailed lace, so it'll look really pretty on any project. Then I got this broad lace. This is also really pretty. Next I got is this green roselet trim. There are tiny rose all over the trim. Then I have one more piece. Let me just open this. And this is the baby pink trim, and this is what it is. It's really thin, really intricate, and really cute, nice baby pink color trim. So that is all about the trims. Now I also got this dome. So this is a star dome, so you can make any shaker element or something with this, or you can put on top of your albums or your mixed media project, or you can make a miniature scene inside it. So it's a really cute star dome. And I got these small glass bottles. Look at the small one, it's so cute. So these are the bottles, and there's a variety of ways you can use them. You can fill these bottles with glitter and sequins and add to your miniature show. Then I got these two glitters. So this is one. It has a bit bigger circular chunky glitters. I hope you can see that. So this is what it looks like. It's round, chunky, and you can add these on top of anything, any project, and this will look really pretty. That's one. And this is the fine one, so I'll not take this out on my hand. So this is a really fine white glitter. Then I've got something really interesting. So this is mermaid blue, and it is a pigment that gives like a two-toned effect. So I'll just try to take a little bit out on my hand. I wish I can show y'all. So it's, I hope the camera is capturing it. So it's like a blue and a silver and a greenish purplish kind of really nice effect. It's really prettier in real life than what the camera is showing. So this is what you can use this in a lot of ways. You can put it on top of a mixed media project to highlight your work. You can use this for that. You can use this with your raisins, and there are a lot of ways that you can use this. So this is really nice and I really liked it. See how pretty it is. Then next I got these two UV pigments. So I think they light up in UV light, and in black light they light up. So this also is a really versatile product. You can mix it with watercolor, you can mix it with your texture paste, and there's a lot that you can do with these. You can mix it with your texture paste and use it on top of a stencil. And this is what you can use these as well with raisins. So it's a purple and a pink, a really fluorescent purple and a fluorescent pink. Next I have these really interesting sheets. So this is a foil sheet. It's a holographic foil sheet. So you can actually use adhesive or any glue, or you can use the heat method to transfer this foil onto your project. And just look at this. I'm sure it will give a wonderful effect on your project. Next is this. This is a mermaid foil, and this can also be used in raisins and in other projects as well. So these are the two products, and I also received this jute paper. So these are jute sheets. Just show you all. So it is, one is in baby pink color and the other one is a white. You usually get jute sheet in a jute color, which is like a brownish color, but this is like a white and a pink jute sheet, and I think it will look really good on any project. Like, you can make a super shabby chic project with these two, and you can combine this lace and these lace with it, and it will go really well. This itself is looking so cute, this combination. So that's all, and I hope you all enjoyed this video and liked the products. I just loved all of them, and I'm so excited to work with them, and that's it.